I'm Fee Wallace and welcome to this smoky quartz marble nail art tutorial. I've created this look using Light Elegance and a little Lecenté foil. To begin with, I'm going to lay down 4 colours. Now I've chosen colours that are quite contrasting. To clean the brush in between, I'm just wiping with a dry Light Elegance pad. It's perfect. So continuing to lay down these colours, just sort of splodging them on my little palette here. And once we have our 4 colours laid down, we're going to swirl them together to create the marbly, quartzy kind of stripes, and then pick that up and apply it to the nail. I'll show you how they swirl together now. So there's no real trick to this. I've discovered that you want to mix them a little more than maybe you think you do to begin with. In the beginning, I was worried that the colours would blend a bit too much, but I actually found that I got a better, smokier result on the nail if I spent a little more time swirling these lines first. Now, this is a Light Elegance nail enhancement that I've already finish filed and cleansed, and now applying a thin layer of clear one step. We're going to leave that layer uncured, and into that uncured layer we'll now apply the colour. So this is a clean, dry, flat number 4 Light Elegance gel brush. I'm going to wiggle that slowly and gently to pick up those stripes and swirls that we already created. And lay the back of the brush down into the uncured one step, and again slowly and gently wiggle and pull the brush along the surface. If we go too fast, you won't get much of a pattern. It won't drag the design out. So go nice and slowly. Now, you'll think at this point that it looks terrible, but stick with it. Allow it some time to settle out. You'll see that's what we've done here. And during those few minutes that it's settling out, it might pull a little over at the side. You can tidy that up with the little brush. Now cure that once you're happy and go in with your foil. So this is Lecenté Rose Gold foil. Now after letting the design settle, I cured it a couple of times just to make sure it was a little extra sticky, to make it sticky enough for the foil to adhere to. Now I chose to finish with Shellac XPRESS5 Top Coat. I could have used any gel polish top coat, but I did that simply because the foil is there. You're going to get a better result with a softer gel polish top coat than with a Light Elegance hard gel top coat, for example, over foil. So I hope you've enjoyed this tutorial. Thank you so much for watching.